Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make your LinkedIn profile private. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. There are several reasons why you might want to make your LinkedIn profile private. Job searching, privacy concern, and avoiding unwanted contact are a few common ones. A private LinkedIn profile can be beneficial in certain situations, but there are also potential drawback to consider. When you are job searching, you may want to keep your activity private from your current employer or colleagues. Making your private allows you to discreetly explore new opportunities without raising suspicion. Privacy concerns are another reason to go private. If you want to limit who can view your personal information and activity, a private profile gives you more control. So in this video, I will show you how to make your profile private on LinkedIn. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our LinkedIn. Now you can go to the settings by tap on the up left corner here. You can choose on settings, choose on visibility. Now you can see there is an option edit your public profile. You can just choose on that. So by default, your profile on LinkedIn is public. If you want to make it private, you can just control in here public profile settings. You can control your profile and can limit what is shown on search engines and other of LinkedIn services. Viewer will learn sign into LinkedIn will see all or some portion of the profile view displayed below. You can edit your custom URL profile. You can edit your content and you can control your profile's appearance for people who are not signed into LinkedIn. The limits you set here affect how your profile appears on search engines, profile page, and permitted service like Outlook. So here's by default is set to basic. It will show your name, number of connection, number of followers, and region. You can choose on first degree connection, your network, a LinkedIn member, and public. If you want to make your LinkedIn profile to private, you can just disable this toggle. You can just tap on here. So now you have your LinkedIn profile is on the private mode. It's very simple, right? So that is how to make your LinkedIn profile private. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.